Question number 25 says a solar eclipse is considered to be one of the most awe-inspiring spectacles in all of nature. So what they've given you here is some data on a solar eclipse, pictures of solar eclipse taken in Nunavut on August 1st, 2008. So if you take a look at the sequence, term 1 is going to be at 1354, which is 154. Okay, so that's going to be 154. 1359 is 159. This is 204, 209, 214, etc. So the sequence, if we're asked to write the first 5 terms of the sequence, the first 5 terms of the sequence would look like this. Okay, it's going to be, right down here, 1354, 1359, 1404, and it looks like it's increasing by 5 minutes, 1409 and 1414. Okay, so those are represent the first 5 terms of the sequence. The value of T1 would be the first term. That would be 1354, and the common difference, the D, is equal to plus 5 minutes. Okay, part B asks us to write the general term that defines this sequence. So the general term is Tn. Tn is equal to the starting value of 154 plus n minus 1 times the common difference of plus 5 minutes. Okay, what assumptions did you make for your calculations in part B? Well, assumptions I'm going to have to make here is that we understand this is clock time. Okay, so this is a clock time equation. So the equation calculates clock time. So once we hit 60, we have to go to the next digit. And at what time did the sun completely eclipse the moon? It looks like at T24. So T24 is a time. So we want T24. So it's going to be 1354 plus 24 minus 1 times 5. So when I do this calculation, I get 154 plus 23 times 5 is going to be 115. Okay, so 115 minutes. So if we're going to add 115 minutes, that's going to be basically 1 hour and 55 minutes. So if I'm going to add 1 hour and 55 minutes, I'm going to start with the 55 minutes. That gives me to 2:49, and then 1 hour and 1 hour more is going to be 3:49. So that's going to be 15:49. So 3:49 p.m. Okay, so we have to be a bit careful because the sum, this amount here, is different than this amount here. That's the red is clock time, whereas the blue is in minutes. So we have to make sure we add that to clock time.